I love my melees. They're so cool. Where's my golden pickaxe? I don't know. Ooh, stick.
Hi, sir. Can I have some of these melees?
I don't think I want my backpack. Heck no! He killed me! 911, 911. I'm trying to become 911. I'm gonna become 911 and blow him to smithereens with two shotguns. Boom, 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 boom. How is this man not dead? Boom, 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 boom. 911. Bro, what? This kid's hacking, boy. Come here, buddy. Come here, little Timmy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Bang! How are you not dead? How are you not dead? How don't you red watch anymore? This kid's hacking. Why am I playing with a hacker? Again.
No, I have the dumbest idea.